Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today we've got a Champions, let me see if you can see that. Okay, Champions Path collection, and it's the Hatterene V version. So it looks like we've got 4 packs, large card, regular size card, and let's get into it. So let's hope I don't struggle too much on this. And I'm struggling, basically. Wow, this is so sticky. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can just get my finger in here. I'm gonna have to just wreck the box. There we go. So let's take the top off here and go the card, get rid of that. Okay, so we have a nice V card. Looks pretty centered. Edges are not too bad, so that's nice. It is a promo, but it's nice. Okay, and then we have the huge card here, so nothing really different on this one. Looks nicely centered. Yeah, so it looks good. That aside, and so now we have 4 Champions Path packs. So there you go. Okay, so we got all these. Let me see if any of them feel a little bit different. They all feel about the same. Not that I would be able to tell really the difference of like an ounce or two, but let's just go ahead and open whatever randomly. Now, if you've been watching, you know that we've been on quite a losing streak. Haven't found anything super exciting in a while. I think the last really good one that I found was that gold card. I don't even remember what the name was, but yeah, I hope that we can get something really good because, you know, I want to be excited about something, you know. So we have Sharpedo, Arbok, Kabu Trainer, Pokeball Trainer, Carvanha, Ekans, Weedle, Galarian Lanoon, Reverse Hollow Galarian Lanoon, and a Hollow Galarian Obstagoon. Okay, at least it's not a non-hollow, so I'll take that, I guess, you know? Okay, so 1 pack down. Let's go to the next. I like that these are flipped the other way instead of showing the color, so you're not sure what you're gonna get immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4. do it. Suspicious Food Tin. Pokemon Center Lady. Hop. Kakuna. Swablu. Machop. Galarian Zigzagoon. All these Galarian ones, I love saying the names of them. It's so entertaining. Vulpix. Reverse Hollow Trubbish. You can't even really see on the camera that it's reverse hollows. These ones in particular, these I don't know if it's the color or if they've done something different, but they're just so much less hollow than other cards. And our final card is, okay, a hollow Machamp. Pretty good. Not too bad. Now, in one of these packs, it would be nice if we got a V card, a VMAX, GX, EX, anything. Please, please. Or, I mean, a Charizard, ideally. Okay. Water, okay. Sharpedo, another Sharpedo, okay. Oh, I didn't move these out of the way. Let me just clear that, okay. Sharpedo, another Suspicious Food Tin. Why am I getting so many repeats in all these packs? Another Pokemon Center Lady. Nickit. Another Machop. Another Ekans. Another Swablu. Hatterene. A reverse hollow Nickit. And finally, oh, I think we got a good card. I think I see some sparkle back there. Do you guys see that right there? Oh my gosh, I hope it's something good. Let me just take a little peek at the colors. Purple. Okay, so we know it's not a Charizard. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Galarian Cursola. V. The centering is not too bad either. It's a little bit heavier on the side here. Otherwise, not too bad. Corners look okay. Let's check the reverse. These corners are a little suspect right here, but it's pretty evenly centered. Not bad. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'll take it. I mean, at least we got one, a good one. So, but you know what? I want something amazing. I always say it, guys, you know, like, I just want to get something super cool. I see all these videos, right, with pack openings and box openings and all this stuff, and people manage to get like an amazing thing almost every single time. I don't know what's going on, you know. I think that maybe you can only get that good stuff if you buy, you know, a box or like an Elite Trainer box or a booster box or whatever. So, which I haven't been able to get so far. So, I mean, what are you gonna do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pierce. Machoke. Bead, I don't know. Sizzlipede. Swablu. Carvana. So many duplicates, gosh. Galarian Lanoon. Oh my goodness. another Weedle. Excuse me. Reverse Hollow Vulpix. And let's see. Hollow Zygarde. Okay, guys. So, you know, again, this is just gonna be, you know, the channel where I pull really mediocre cards and complain about it, basically. So yeah, so we didn't get anything major. Like, these, not too bad. I'm happy with it. These ones, I don't know if they're really worth much. And then we got the promo. I mean, all in all, it's decent. I could have got all like non-popular hollows, so at least I got this one, you know. What are you gonna do? Hopefully I am able to get some kind of good pack soon, like a box, like a trainer box or something. I've kind of lost hope with getting a Shining Fates box for now anyway. You know, I'm not willing to pay $200 for a trainer box as much as I do want it. Unless I was, you know, a millionaire, and then I would be willing to pay $1,000 for a box. But here we are. So I hope you guys have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and see you guys next time.